Hello everyone. I thought I would shoot a quick video of the York condensing unit here at work starting up. This is not the first startup of the season. I actually started it a couple days ago when we had kind of a minor heat wave. It's kind of cooled back off, so it's around 75 degrees, but I thought I'd get a video of this unit starting up anyways. So let me go kick it on. There we go. The York is on. This unit is actually a three-phase model. But yeah, it shouldn't take too long to satisfy since it's only 73 degrees inside and the set point's at 72. So yeah. Anyways, and it's only 75, 76 degrees out here. It's pretty windy. I was actually worried that the tripod would fall over, but it didn't, thankfully. But yeah, so I thought I'd get this starting up. I think I'll let it run for a couple minutes, and I might kick it off. So I'll put the tripod back down. I'll wait a couple minutes. I get it shutting down. Okay, and as you can see and hear, the York has shut off. So as I mentioned in my previous video about these units, this Lennox unit just no longer works. It actually has a massive refrigerant leak somewhere, probably all the corroded piping inside. Somewhere has sprung a leak, but I don't think it would hold a charge at all. Thankfully, the York over here does pretty well. If we put some fans between the two parts of the building, it actually does a pretty somewhat decent job of keeping that side of the building cool as well. But yeah, I thought I'd get a startup and shutdown video of this York unit. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.